Hello and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 40. So we have a reaction here between alkanol and organic acid to give an unknown compound X and water. So the reaction above is described as A. Dehydration, B. Esterification, C. Hydration, D. Hydrolysis, E. Saponification. Now this reaction, a reaction that involves an alkanol reacting with an organic acid or an alkanoic acid to give an ester and water. So when an alkanol reacts with an organic acid, what it gives is an ester and water. So this compound X is an ester, it's known as an ester, and water is known as, and the reaction is known as esterification. Okay, so this is what the complete reaction looks like. You have alkanol plus organic acid reacting reversibly with to give an ester and water. And for an example of this reaction, you can have ethanol C2H5OH reacting with an organic acid such as ethanoic acid to give an ester such as ethyl ethanoate and water. So this reaction is known as esterification. So esterification is option B. So option B, esterification, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.